Want to talk about imaginary situations or unreal conditions? In this lesson, you'll learn 30 type 2 conditional sentences with simple examples, perfect for improving your English grammar and speaking skills. Let's start. Structure of type 2 conditional sentences. If plus past simple, would plus base form of verb. Breakdown. If plus past simple. The condition. Imaginary or hypothetical. Would plus base verb. The result. What would happen if the condition were true? Usage. The second conditional, type 2, is used to talk about unreal or hypothetical situations in the present or future. Things that are unlikely to happen. Imaginary conditions and their possible results. Examples. If I had a car, I would drive to the beach. I don't have a car now, but I imagine having one. If she studied harder, she would pass the exam. She is not studying hard now, but this is the possible result if she did. If I were rich, I would travel the world. I am not rich now, but I imagine what I would do if I were. Always use past simple in the if clause, even though the meaning is about the present or future. Use were instead of was for all subjects in formal English. If I was rich, I would travel. This is incorrect. If I were rich, I would travel. The second part uses would plus base verb, not the past tense.
If I had a car, I would travel the world. If she studied harder, she would pass the exam. If they lived near us, we would visit them often. If he were rich, he would buy a big house. If I knew the answer, I would tell you. If you were my friend, you would help me. If it rained tomorrow, we would cancel the trip. If I had more time, I would learn guitar. If she were a teacher, she would teach English. If they played better, they would win the game. If you worked out, you would be fit. If I were a bird, I would fly in the sky. If he called me, I would answer. If I had a lot of money, I would start a business. If we lived by the sea, we would go swimming every day. If you practiced more, you would improve quickly. If I spoke French, I would travel to France. If she were a singer, she would sing beautifully. If they invited us, we would attend the party. If it snowed here, we would make a snowman. If I had your phone number, I would call you. If he studied medicine, he would become a doctor. If we had a big garden, we would grow vegetables. If she loved me, she would stay. If you told the truth, I would believe you. If I worked in that company, I would earn more. If he were here now, he would explain everything. If I had wings, I would fly to you. If we met today, we would have lunch together. If they spoke English well, they would get good jobs.
Great job! Now you know 30 type 2 conditional sentences for imaginary situations. Comment below your own example using type 2 conditional. Like this video, subscribe for more English grammar lessons and speaking tips. Keep practicing and see you in the next video. Thank you.